Here in Uplift, we try our best to help in transforming your communities, one family at a time. But the way we do it, we assist in transforming you first with the help of God our Lord.
Kaya kayo nakasuot ng toga ngayon sa kabila ng lahat ng mga pagkukulang ninyo sa inyong buhay. Ito ay dahil may awa ang Diyos.
I grew up in a family where both of my parents were not fortunate enough to finish their studies. And now, as I stand before you, I am happy and joyful to share with you that I am the first person in my family to graduate from college and that I am a humbled Uplift Care Scholar with a 4-year Bachelor of Science degree in Business Administration, major in Marketing.
Mga estudyante, kay Lord, buo ka. Kay Lord, magaling ka. Kay Lord, tagumpay ka. Hakbang pasulong, mga kapatid. At ang mga mata natin ituon natin sa ating Panginoong Hesukristo. Siya ang ating tunay at walang hanggang tagumpay.